From Actionable Ops, here's how to run more than one Hermes against the same repo at the same time, safely, with Git Worktrees. The problem is the same one humans hit. Two agents in one checkout, editing the same files, are going to stomp on each other. One deletes a file the other was using. One commits a half-finished refactor. You waste time untangling who did what. The fix is Git Worktrees, and Hermes has a one-flag shortcut for it. The boring version, in case you have never used Worktrees. From your main repo, Git Worktree add, plus a path, plus a branch name, creates a separate folder with that branch checked out. Same Git history under the hood, different working directory. Each is isolated from the others. Now the Hermes shortcut. CD into your repo, then hermes-w. That is the whole thing. Hermes creates a temporary worktree under /.worktrees, checks out an isolated branch, and runs your whole CLI session inside it. When you are done, Git Worktree remove cleans it up. The compounding move is parallel. Open two terminals. Run hermes-w in each. Now you have two agents on two branches, running against the same repo, totally isolated. You can hand each one a different approach to the same task and compare diffs after. A few practices that pay off. One worktree per substantial change. Name branches after the experiment, like feature/hermes-auth refactor. Commit at milestones with Git. Use /rollback inside Hermes as a safety net for tool-driven edits between commits. Each worktree gets its own rollback history, so they do not interfere. To clean up, decide if you want to keep the work. If yes, merge the branch like any other. Then Git Worktree remove, plus the path. Hermes checkpoints under Hermes home/checkpoints stay around, but they are tiny. That's Hermes with Git Worktrees, built by Noose Research. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.